In this video, I'm going to make this Art Deco shadow box. It's 7 layers, and I added a border to it, a frame to it, and I stained it real lightly with that's baltic birch plywood. I stained it with a light walnut stain. I really like the way it looks. It's very different. So stay tuned, and I'll show you the pattern, and we'll cut it up and try to put it together. Now here's the pattern and the material that I'm using in this little project. These came out of a magazine. These were much smaller. The instructions said to blow it up 222% or whatever size you desired. So I'm trying to fit my material, and this material is 12 inches by 12 inches. So I figured if I shot for 6 inches, I could get 4 out of each sheet, and 2 sheets of plywood would do this whole project. So I made it work. I had to experiment with it to get it the right size. They're slightly less than 6 inches, which is all right. It gives me room for the curve for the saw and all. So anyway, there's 7 patterns. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then over here you got 5, 6, and 7. Now that last one is blank. It's just a blank piece that fits on the back. Anyway, I got to tape this, attach it to the material, and then drill the holes, and then I'll cut it, and I'll probably stain it lightly to give it a little bit of a color, and then I'll slowly put it together and get it lined up. So let me get started mounting it. So there's the Art Deco shadow box. The original pattern in the magazine did not have a frame on it like that, but I wanted to cover the edges. It was just baltic birch plywood. Like I say, that's a woodworker's bandage there. It's actually a band-aid under that. I cut myself on the spoke shave when I was rounding these corners. I dropped it and reached for it, and my thumb hit the blade. And it's very sharp. Anyway, I just wanted to explain why I had that tape on my thumb. Anyway, I'm going to put a hanger on this. May clean it up a little bit in there, make sure everything's, all the debris out of it, and it looks like it is, but I always do a second check because I'm going to seal it later. Weather's just horrible today. I'm not going to go outside and spray anything. But anyway, there's the Art Deco box. This is my 100th video, and I hope you enjoyed that. It's very interesting. It's something very different, and I like to do something different every time I can. So if you like that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see how different I can get in the next 100 videos. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.